America's vast and diverse landscape offers endless opportunities for water-based adventures, whether you're seeking a tranquil escape or an adrenaline-pumping thrill. In this video, we'll dive into some of the best water destinations across the Northwest and Central USA. We'll explore the stunning, crystal-clear lakes nestled amidst breathtaking mountains and forests, perfect for boating and kayaking. Then we'll make a splash at the most exciting water parks, where you can race down slides and ride massive waves. Finally, we'll slow things down as we float along the most serene and relaxing lazy rivers. Get ready to discover your next summer getaway, a lazy river in Oregon. This video is a relevant result because it showcases a lazy river experience in Oregon, a state in the Northwest USA, which aligns with the video's theme of finding the best water spots in the region. Hey there, beach lovers. Today, I'm going to take you on a journey to discover the absolute best beach destinations across the United States. Whether you're planning a family vacation, a wild weekend with friends, a solo adventure, or a romantic getaway, I've got you covered. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. Let's start with the perfect family beach spots. Trust me, Hawaii's Waikiki Beach is a no-brainer here. The gentle waves are perfect for kids learning to surf, and the shallow waters make parents feel at ease. Plus, the beachfront hotels offer amazing kids' clubs and family activities. If Hawaii is a bit too far, consider Florida's Clearwater Beach. The powdery white sand, calm waters, and nearby Pier 60 with its daily sunset celebrations make it a hit with families of all ages. Now, for those planning the ultimate beach trip with friends, South Beach, Miami is where the party's at. The vibrant nightlife, trendy restaurants, and Art Deco architecture create the perfect backdrop for unforgettable memories. But here's a lesser-known gem: San Diego's Pacific Beach. The laid-back surf culture, beach bars, and countless activities like volleyball and paddleboarding make it perfect for group adventures. Solo travelers and singles, listen up. California's Big Sur coastline is calling your name. The rugged beauty, hidden coves, and dramatic cliffs offer the perfect setting for self-discovery and adventure. Want something more social? Try Virginia Beach's boardwalk scene. The mix of outdoor activities, local events, and friendly atmosphere makes it easy to meet new people while enjoying some quality beach time. And for all you lovebirds and honeymooners out there, I've saved the most romantic spots for last. Maui's Kaanapali Beach is pure paradise. Imagine walking hand in hand along 3 miles of white sand, watching whales breach in the distance during sunset. For something more intimate and secluded, check out the stunning Cannon Beach in Oregon. Those iconic haystack rocks create the most magical backdrop for romantic moments, especially during those gorgeous Pacific Northwest sunsets. Remember, the best beach trip isn't just about the destination, it's about matching the right beach with the right company and vibe. Whether you're building sandcastles with the kids, partying with friends until sunrise, finding yourself on a solo adventure, or creating romantic memories with your special someone, America's coastlines have something magical waiting for you. So what are you waiting for? Grab your sunscreen, pack your bags, and get ready for the beach adventure of a lifetime. The waves are calling, and trust me, you don't want to miss out on these incredible experiences. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. Now, my fellow travel enthusiasts, let's dive into America's most breathtaking lake getaways. Trust me, once you discover these hidden gems, you'll be packing your bags faster than you can say, summer vacation. Let's start our journey in the stunning northern and northwest regions. Have you ever witnessed the crystal-clear waters of Lake Chelan in Washington? This 50-mile-long glacier-fed lake is absolutely magical. Picture yourself cruising on these pristine waters, surrounded by towering mountains and lush forests. And don't get me started on Lake Superior, the largest of the Great Lakes. The dramatic cliffs, hidden coves, and picturesque lighthouses along its shoreline will leave you speechless. Now let's head to the Central West, where Lake Tahoe steals the show. Straddling California and Nevada, this alpine beauty is a year-round paradise. In summer, you can paddleboard on waters so clear you can see 70 feet down, and in winter, the surrounding ski resorts transform into a snow sports haven. Oh, and here's a fun fact. Tahoe's water is 99.9% pure. That's almost as pure as distilled water. Moving to the west, we've got some serious contenders for your next vacation spot. Lake Powell, straddling Arizona and Utah, looks like something from another planet. Imagine red sandstone canyons rising dramatically from turquoise waters. It's like Mother Nature's own art installation. And let's not forget Lake Havasu in Arizona, where you can actually visit the original London Bridge. Yes, you heard that right. They transported it brick by brick from England. But what makes these lakes truly special isn't just their beauty, It's the memories you'll create there. Whether you're watching the sunset from a kayak, teaching your kids to fish, or simply lounging on a beach with a good book, these lakes offer something for everyone. And here's a pro tip. While summer is peak season, consider visiting during spring or fall. You'll get better deals, fewer crowds, and some seriously spectacular views as the seasons change. The morning mist rising off Lake Chelan in autumn? Pure magic. So what are you waiting for? These incredible lake destinations are calling your name. Pack your swimsuit, grab your camera, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure at America's most stunning lakes. Trust me, whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, these lake getaways won't disappoint. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. Hey water park enthusiasts, now, we're diving into America's most incredible water parks and lazy rivers. Grab your sunscreen and floaties because we're about to make a splash across the country. Let's start our journey in the southeast, where the sun is always shining and the water is always perfect. Universal's Volcano Bay in Orlando, Florida is an absolute game changer. Picture this, a massive 200-foot volcano called Krakatoa that's not just for show. It houses some of the most thrilling water slides you'll ever experience. And if you're looking for the ultimate lazy river experience, Disney's Blizzard Beach has you covered with Cross Country Creek, a relaxing 3,000-foot journey through mysterious caves and refreshing waterfalls. Moving up to the northeast, we've got some hidden gems that'll blow your mind. Aquatopia at Camelback Lodge in Pennsylvania is actually indoor, meaning you can enjoy it year-round. Their lazy river has these amazing transparent roofs where you can watch the snow fall while floating in warm water. How cool is that? And don't sleep on Six Flags Hurricane Harbor in New Jersey, featuring their adventure river that's anything but lazy, with waterfalls, geysers, and rapids keeping you on your toes. Now let's head to the northwest, where they've really stepped up their water park game. Silverwood's Boulder Beach in Idaho is absolutely incredible. Their lazy river winds through a gorgeous pine forest setting, and they've got this amazing wave pool that makes you feel like you're at the Pacific coast. Wild Waves in Washington State is another must-visit, with their Hooks Lagoon being perfect for families with little ones. Finally, let's hit the West Coast, where they definitely know how to beat the heat. Six Flags Hurricane Harbor in California is literally an oasis in the desert. Their lazy river cruise is practically a vacation in itself, stretching nearly a quarter-mile long. And we can't forget about Raging Waters in San Dimas. It's Southern California's largest water park, with their Amazon adventure taking you through tropical landscapes that'll make you forget you're in California. Here's a pro tip. Most of these parks offer season passes that pay for themselves in just 2 visits. And if you're planning a trip, try visiting during shoulder season, May or September, when the crowds are smaller but the fun is just as big. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie looking for the next big thrill or someone who just wants to float away their worries, these water parks have something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Time to plan your next aquatic adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. Thank you for watching, and ring that bell to receive notification on new videos.